Welcome to the Healthy Pantry, your daily dose of nutritional knowledge and wellness inspiration. We are delighted to have you here. In today's video, we're diving deep into the magnificent world of kohlrabi. It may not be the first thing on your shopping list, but trust me, by the end of this video, you might want to reconsider. Packed with essential vitamins and minerals, kohlrabi is more than just a crunchy addition to your salads. It's a nutritional powerhouse. Stick around as we unravel the health benefits that make kohlrabi a worthy contender in your quest for a healthier lifestyle. So let's get started on this journey into the green and crispy world of kohlrabi. First and foremost, kohlrabi is an excellent source of dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Fiber plays a crucial role in promoting digestive health by adding bulk to the stool and preventing constipation. The insoluble fiber in kohlrabi helps move food through the digestive system, contributing to regular bowel movements. Prebiotics are non-digestible fibers that promote the growth and activity of beneficial bacteria in the gut. Kohlrabi contains prebiotic fibers that support a healthy gut microbiome. A balanced and diverse gut microbiome is associated with better digestion and overall well-being. The fiber content in kohlrabi helps regulate the speed at which food travels through the digestive tract. This regulation is essential for optimal nutrient absorption and a healthy digestive process. The fiber in kohlrabi can contribute to a feeling of fullness or satiety. This can be beneficial for those looking to manage their weight by controlling overall calorie intake. Diets rich in fiber, such as those including kohlrabi, are associated with a reduced risk of various digestive disorders, including diverticulitis and irritable bowel syndrome. What's more, some compounds in kohlrabi, such as glucosinolates, may have anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is associated with various health conditions, including heart disease and certain cancers. Additionally, kohlrabi is a good source of potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining heart health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium, potentially reducing the risk of hypertension. A diet low in sodium is essential for heart health, as excessive sodium intake can contribute to high blood pressure. Kohlrabi is naturally low in sodium, making it a heart-friendly vegetable. The presence of nutrients like vitamin C in kohlrabi contributes to the health of blood vessels. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps prevent oxidative damage to the arteries, promoting their flexibility and reducing the risk of atherosclerosis. The fiber content in kohlrabi can help manage cholesterol levels. High-fiber diets have been associated with lower levels of LDL cholesterol. Fluctuations in blood sugar levels can contribute to heart disease. The fiber content in kohlrabi helps regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes, which are linked to heart issues. The combination of potassium, antioxidants, and fiber in kohlrabi contributes to overall cardiovascular health. A diet that includes heart-healthy foods like kohlrabi may reduce the risk of heart disease and related complications. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. But wait, there is more. Kohlrabi is a good source of vitamin K, a crucial nutrient for bone health. Vitamin K plays a key role in bone metabolism, supporting the regulation of calcium and contributing to bone mineralization. Vitamin C, present in kohlrabi, is essential for collagen formation. Collagen is a structural protein that provides strength to bones, joints, and connective tissues. Kohlrabi contains magnesium, another mineral important for bone health. Magnesium works alongside calcium and vitamin D to support bone density and structure. Phosphorus is a mineral that plays a vital role in the formation and maintenance of bone structure. Kohlrabi contains phosphorus, contributing to overall bone health. Osteoblasts are cells responsible for bone formation. Adequate vitamin K intake, found in kohlrabi, is associated with increased osteoblast activity, promoting bone mineralization. Lastly, kohlrabi is a rich source of vitamin C, an essential nutrient known for its immune-boosting properties. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in the production and function of white blood cells, which are key components of the immune system. It contains various antioxidants, including vitamin C and phytochemicals. Antioxidants help neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. This, in turn, supports the overall function of the immune system. Kohlrabi provides minerals such as potassium and manganese, which play roles in overall health and may indirectly support immune function. Potassium is essential for proper cellular function, while manganese is involved in the activation of enzymes, important for immune responses. Kohlrabi adds to the overall nutrient diversity in a diet, providing a range of vitamins and minerals that support various aspects of health, including immune function. And there you have it, folks, the incredible health benefits of Kohlrabi. From supporting your immune system to promoting heart and bone health, this unassuming vegetable has certainly earned its place on your plate. See you tomorrow in the next video. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information shared valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.